Imagine an AI so smart that it could outtrade the pros and reshape the entire crypto world. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's not. This is happening right now. And today we're diving into how AI agents and crypto are teaming up to revolutionize the future. Let's go! Crypto has already revolutionized how we think about money, decentralization, and ownership. And AI? It's transforming industries with its ability to learn, predict, and automate. Together, these two technologies are poised to create a future where smarter, faster, and more secure systems dominate the financial landscape. Here are the top ways AI agents are changing the crypto industry in 2025. AI agents analyze market trends in real time to execute trades faster and smarter than humans. With scams still a big issue in crypto, AI can spot suspicious activity on the blockchain before it's too late. Imagine self-executing agreements powered by AI to ensure transparency and efficiency in decentralized organizations. AI agents can diversify and rebalance your investments based on data-driven insights. These are just a few examples, and the possibilities are endless. Now, how do AI agents and blockchain actually work together? AI thrives on data, and blockchains provides tons of it: transactions, patterns, and trends. When AI analyzes this data, it can make predictions, automate processes, and even enhance blockchain performance. Plus, with blockchain's transparency, AI decisions can be verified, reducing risks of bias or manipulation. Of course, this partnership isn't without challenges. Blockchain scalability still limits how much data AI can process. And let's not forget, AI predictions are never 100% accurate, especially in a market as volatile as crypto. There's also the question of ethics and privacy. As these technologies evolve, we'll need to address these hurdles to unlock their full potential. The future of crypto and AI is incredibly exciting. By 2025, we could see fully autonomous AI-driven DAOs, decentralized marketplaces powered by AI, and even governments integrating blockchain and AI to manage economies. The potential is mind-blowing, and we're just scratching the surface. Earn a free $50 futures bonus on MEXC. Sign up now using my referral link in the description or pinned comment, or simply scan the QR code. To qualify, you need to create an account, deposit at least $100, make just one trade. The event period runs between January 6th and January 16th. Don't miss out, grab your bonus today and start trading on the exchange that offers a wide range of altcoin pairs. So what do you think about the crypto and AI partnership? Are we heading into a new golden age of tech? Or are there risks we haven't even considered yet? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.